high. Banks are required to have a comprehensive internal credit rating system. This could be done through professionally developed model in Excel spreadsheet, or through special software. Given the alternatives, bank management may have confusion as to which one to choose.
We can build internal credit rating model in Excel by building several logics to obtain credit score. I think this is the best option to choose.
No, Excel has several limitations, and the software is the solution you need for building a robust internal credit rating model. I will explain in detail to justify my view.